Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Thursday, 12th of March, and I ended up taking two trades today. One trade was a 30-second long right after market open, and the second trade was a short from this 1 minute inversion into Asia lows. So coming into the day, I was a little bit more bullish because we already inversed the 4-hour fair value gap right here, and we also respected this 4-hour while ES traded back into the new week opening gap and equilibrium of the current price range. You can see that even though we inversed the 4-hour fair value gap, we still respected the 1-hour fair value gap right here. So right before market open, you can see that we are currently trading in a 15-minute bullish fair value gap coupled with a hourly fair value gap to the left. So the market opens up, trades right before this high and fading the 5-minute fair value gap up here, then displacing lower into London low. And at this point in time, I was like, okay, we made barely equal highs fading a 5-minute fair value gap, and we just ran London lows. So a immediate return into the unmitigated fair value gap and the 9:30 a.m. high would be pretty likely. So yeah, I ended up taking a long once a 30-second inversion closed right where the position here is marked, and we immediately displaced to the upside. I targeted a 1-to-1 here because my target was here, but it was not a 1-to-1 when I have my stop loss at the body close, so I aimed for a 1-to-1 roughly, and it got hit immediately. So right after we traded into the 5-minute and I got my TP from the first trade, I immediately looked for shorts because we still have the intermediate low and Asia low here, and we are currently in a 5-minute fair value gap, and we're also respecting the 15-minute order block. This is a very strong sign in a downtrend. I want to see up close candles get respected like this here. So we traded into the 5-minute fair value gap, and then we started to consolidate a bit. But if you watch closely, you can see that all the wicks are doing the damage and the body always close below consequent encroachment of this 5-minute fair value gap. So you can see that we have SMT in my key level while respecting the 15-minute order block, and coupled with that we also inversed the 1-minute inversion fair value gap, which is, if you look at the higher time frame, the highest time frame inversion in this up leg. So me personally, I hesitated a bit because I already had a winning trade. And recently, when I entered in a position, I got smacked within the first 1 or 2 minutes. So I waited the first candle, see if we respect this inversion fair value gap right here. When I saw that we tapped the candle and closed strongly below, I entered a short right there, and then we just ran towards my drawn liquidity, which was the Asia low to the left right here.